Do you know what your home would sell for in today's crazy market? Hi, Stephanie here with Magnolia Realty. Owning a home is one of the most significant financial investments you'll ever make. My mission is to keep you informed about how your investment is doing as your local real estate consultant. And as you saw in my last video, we currently have more buyers than we do available homes for sale. This housing shortage has created a huge advantage for sellers, and your home's value may have changed dramatically even since last year. So regardless of whether you're thinking of selling or planning to stay in your home, one of the services I provide is a yearly home checkup, also known as a comparative market analysis. This way, you're in the know as to the current market conditions and how they affect the value of your home. It's important to note, these reports are not the same as an automated report you see advertised on popular websites. These are up-to-date and accurate reports done by me, your local expert. So if you're curious about what's going on with your home's value, click the link to claim your complimentary home checkup. And if you're not a homeowner, contact me today so we can discuss your options for buying in today's competitive market. Bye for now.